Hi, hello,
Okay.
welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today, a strange person is with us, is unknown person to me. And sir, please introduce yourself. After that, we will delve into our communication. Yeah.
Okay, sir. That's good. And thank you for having me here. And let's me introduce myself. I am Lokesh Kumar Yadvanshi from Chhattisgarh. I am pursuing Bachelor of Pharmacy in final year. Right now, I am 22 years old. So for the time being, I have completed my short introduction.
And you are from Chhattisgarh, you are student of
Yes, sir.
final year pharmacy. So, what is your aim in your life?
And I am medical student. So absolutely, nowadays I am taking internship. So I will run business in the medical field.
So you would like to do some job in medical field. That's the reason you have chosen pharmacy. Yeah,
Yes.
nice. How long time have you been practicing English communication skills?
Sir, I have completed more than 1 year in my spoken English journey.
You are giving very shortcut answers for every question. But being a pharmacy and you should have to interact with many people and have to should be
Yes,
like extrovert. That means you have
yes,
to try to talk more and more than what is required. Actually,
yeah, I am extrovert. I am open-minded person.
extrovert who speaks more than what he wanted to actually. But those who are introvert, no, they would like to speak a little because of
Yes,
they would like to express more. That's the thing. So to
okay.
develop professionally and personally, one should be like extrovert. Okay, and the
Yes,
introverts are like great philosophers and poets like that. They are the introvert. But those who
yes,
want to deal with the people, they must be extrovert so that they can be turned into great business people, great leaders like that. Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay, sir. And would you like to ask anything regarding English fluency, English communication skills, English speaking, English learning? And if you have any query, any question, you can ask,
Yes,
and I will try to give answers for your question.
yes, absolutely. I have only one question for you. So how can I make good pronunciation? Nowadays I am lacking for making good pronunciation. So if you have answer about it, sir, please suggest me. I will learn something from you about pronunciation.
Yeah. So, Lokesh sir, and you have asked about how to improve our pronunciation. So, pronunciation is a basic thing to be a good communicator, good speaker. So, for that only, and if you improve, if you want to improve your communication skills and pronunciation skills, first of all, you must be good listener. You should try to listen native speaking videos or native videos, and also try to listen the BBC. That's very important. And also try to watch English movies, and by listening the BBC, and that what we call RP, receiving pronunciation is very important. When you receive well and you can produce well. So that's reason if you want to be a good free speaker and if you want to be a good communicator, and you should develop your pronunciation skills. For that only, you should listen BBC and try to watch English movies. They are very important. And if you receive well, if your the receive skill is good, that is listening is good, I can accurate accent. Try to imitate
Yes.
those native speakers by imitating the native speakers' pronunciation, accent, and you can be better, a good speaker. Yes, this is my personal experience. Yeah.
Okay, that is good, sir. And you gave me precise answer about this question, and maybe it will help me a lot for improving my pronunciation. And even nowadays, I'm trying to learn American accent, so absolutely, I will try to follow American speakers. They can help me a lot for improving my pronunciation. Absolutely, that is nice. Fantastic for giving me this wonderful answer about this question. Yes.
Yes, you can ask any other question.
No, sir. If I'll talk about it, so this time I don't have any question. If you have any question, so you can ask about other
Yes.
things, any topic you can put.
Yeah. So, do you have any friends in other countries? Those who belong to.
Other country. Yes, I have lots of friends, and they are not native speaker, but they belong to foreign, like Nepal and Tajikistan, Bangladesh. Yes, so they belong to foreigner. They belong to foreign, and they are my friends. So I practice with them whenever I get free time, and when they get free time, so they call me.
Oh, nice. So by interacting native speakers, those mother tongue is English, and it will be very good for us, and it will enhance our the fluency, the confidence level, and that's good. What you're doing is a good job to enrich,
Yes,
to enhance
absolutely.
communication skills, and you have been interacting with other than Indian people. That means native speakers. That's good. So by following, by practicing, by focusing on on this way, and you can develop your the communication skills and the fluency in English language.
No, sir. Actually, no, I am questionless. This time I don't have any question. So you can bring any topic and I will continue this conversation. Yes.
So what are the suggestions that you are going to give as a learner? Sometimes the teachers give some answers, some information to learn English language, but we can
Yes.
learn many things from the learners. So, being a
Yes.
good learner of English language, what are the suggestions that you are giving to the new learners, those who want to learn English language, those who passionate to learn English language? What are the suggestions that you are going to give as a learner?
Yes, this is very nice question. And even when I was beginner, so I suffered lots of problems in order to boost my communication skills. So absolutely, I will suggest to them something as no some step and a method steps in order to improve their communication skills. If on 2024 anyone is going to learn English language, so they should follow different kind of methods and no steps in order to boost their communication skills. First, listening practice. This is very imperative for us, and you know quite well about it. If anyone is not capable to speak in the initially time when they are beginner, so they should spend more time for listening every day, more than 2 hours, 3 hours. So it will help for them a lot in order to boost their communication skill. And the second, yes, reading, because with the help of reading practice I have improved a lot my communication skill, because reading is very imperative for us because we can gather lots of vocabs and learn about no sentence formation and a grammar structure, and even we can rectify our grammar error with the help of reading books. So we should not watch too much grammar no videos on the YouTube. We can learn grammar with the help of listening practice and a reading practice. So this is very imperative method in order to boost our communication skill if anyone is a beginner. And a third, absolutely I will suggest to them animation content, no? Animation at English content, animation videos, because it helps us a lot. Because when I was beginner, so I was following Sunshine English no, animation video. So at that moment, I improved a lot, and I was listening more than 3 hours every day. Continuously, I listened 2 months. After that, I started to speak little bit. Gradually, I became beginner. Again, at that moment, I was able to introduce myself. Again, jumped on a little bit, no casual conversation, jumped on a topic discussion, debate, and nowadays I can communicate with anyone else about any topic. So that because of practice. So if anyone has 4 hours in their every day, so at that moment they should harness their time for improving their communication skill, for listening 1 hour, for reading 30 minutes, for writing 30 minutes, for speaking 2 hours. So with the help of this method, absolutely they can improve their English. Anybody can't stop them. Yes, so that's about no my suggestion.
Yes, sir. If one is determined to learn, nobody will stop. If one is not
Yes,
determined, nothing will help. So the determination is very
yes,
important. And thank you. The dedication is important. Thank you,
yes,
Lokesh, giving good advice
yes,
to
absolutely.
the learner. Thank you. Thank you very much for coming to my live session.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you for having me here. And when it will be possible, I don't know. So we'll connect the next time. So invite me, sir. Absolutely, I will come here. And nice to talk with you. And it was a productive conversation with you. So have a splendid day, sir. Bye.
Bye. Thank
Yes,
you.
bye.